Dodging and burning is a classic method to control the light and intensity of color in selected areas of your images. In edit mode, you are likely familiar with the dodge and burn filter. This filter appears on the left filter menu and allows you to adjust shadows, midtones, and highlights. Dodging lightens, while burning darkens. The filter menu, as you may know, is destructive, meaning that when I commit a change and save this file, I can't adjust those settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use layers to get the same effect. We're going to add an exposure adjustment layer, located on the right menu. All adjustment layers are non-destructive and allow for continued editing. Adjustment layers are preserved when we save our file as an ACDSee file. With the exposure adjustment added, let's ensure that my mask is set to black by right-clicking on the mask and selecting Set Mask Black. Masks that appear black are turned off, while masks that appear white are turned on. With a black mask set, this will allow me to paint on the effect only in selected areas, and I'm going to show you how. Next, let's click the exposure adjustment. This will change from the mask properties to the effect properties, so I can actually increase the exposure effect itself. I'm going to increase it by about 25 units. Next, let's select my regular brush tool and ensure that my foreground color is set to white. This white brush is what allows me to paint on the effect as a mask. Ensure that your mask is selected when you are painting. I typically like to increase the feathering and reduce the opacity slightly. I'll paint on my subject just underneath the eyes. If I want to reduce the effect, I can reduce the opacity of the exposure adjustment using this slider here. If I want to increase the effect, I can always increase the exposure effect adjustment. This effect would be akin to dodging. If I wanted to burn my subject instead, I could simply decrease the exposure. Play around with these settings to get the best possible result. And just a note that you can also add a burn or dodge blend mode from this drop down here to your exposure layer, which will make it even more saturated. But I'd really recommend severely lowering your opacity on this layer, because when you do this, it can make the effect quite intense. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.